Bananas are that fruit that you leave, you turn around 20 seconds later and they've got black spots all over them. Well, don't throw away your overripe bananas. I'm going to teach you how to take them and make these delicious banana fritters. So first of all, I've got 2 overripe bananas. Actually, I over-ripened them myself in the oven for the purpose of this tutorial, but for your sake, you don't have to do that unless you want to. But you take 2 overripe bananas and then you're going to chop them up and then you're going to mash them down. So I mashed them down using a fork, and you can also use a potato masher or any sort of masher that you can find in your house. Then to put together the batter, I add some flour, some vanilla extract, a bit of nutmeg, a bit of cinnamon, some brown sugar and a bit of water, and then I just start to mix this all together. So I'm using a whisk, and the type of consistency you want is not too watery but also not too thick. Once that's done, it's time to use your batter to make your fritters. So I am scooping my fritters with a ladle, and you can just go for a small to medium circular size. So it's not as big as a pancake, but it's also not too tiny. So just go with whatever works for you. And what you want to do is shallow fry them in oil for about 3 minutes on both sides. Now, some people also deep fry their banana fritters, but I'm always looking for any way to make a meal slightly healthier, so I choose to shallow fry them, and it tastes honestly just as delicious and probably is a lot less greasy as well. So this amount of mixture or batter that I've made will get you about 5 banana fritters, and you can eat them on their own. They're super delicious. You can drizzle some honey, you can drizzle some maple syrup, you can add some fruit. Just go for whatever you like and enjoy this meal. It's super easy, it's really delicious, and it's really quick to make. So don't throw those blackened bananas out. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.